welcome to Bunny's World. Today we will be unboxing Chelsea and her accessories. So we have a nice Chelsea doll, some nice sunglasses. They are flower shaped. I love them. I love her hair too. It's with two nice ponytails. It comes with a phone and a teddy bear, purple one. I think she sleeps with it. And a backpack, another puppy, and a pair of headphones, and I don't know what that is. I wonder. So anyway, let's get to opening it. There we go. There we go. Here we have it. Okay, I'm gonna first try to get out the doll. Oh, okay, I got it. Let me take out this part. This. Now, there we go. Now we can take out the doll easily. There we go. We have the Chelsea doll. See her nice two ponytails, the sunglasses. Look, the leg is like blue. Some nice pink shoes. I love her sparkly nice skirt too. Okay, anyway, let's get to opening the accessories. I'm gonna start with the puppy here. What's there? There we go, got it. Gotta be careful. This is a white one. I love it. It's super cute. Okay, let's go with the teddy bear next. Okay, its ears are stuck. There we go, got it. It's super nice and purpley. I love it. There we go. Now the backpack. It opens! Oh my god! I was really wondering if it did open. It's super cool. I love it. And it's the matching color as the phone's case. See? Matching. I love it. And this can go in. Nice. I love it. There we go. It can stay in. Pretty nice. Now I'm gonna get this out. Whoa, this is like a hug. I think it could come out. See? I think this, oops, I'll put it on later. I think this is for putting the puppy in because the puppy fits perfectly in. See? Fits perfectly. Let me try to hook this back on. There we go. Got it on. Now let's see if it fits on Chelsea's hand. It should because this came with Chelsea's set. And I hope it does. There, I finally put it back on. Super cute. I love it. Let me take it off. Okay, make her sit down. Now I'm going to get the headphones out. It actually matches with her skirt and her shoes. I like it. And it fits perfectly on her. It does because this came with her set. Super cool. I love it. It's really worth, I think, and I love it. I think you guys should get it too. It's super good. I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time, guys. Bye.